In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add conditions on Jotform. Have you ever wanted to make your online forms smarter? Perhaps you've needed a form to show or hide certain fields based on the user's input, or maybe you've wanted to direct users to specific thank you pages based on their responses. Well, you're in luck because that's exactly what we're going to dive into today using Jotform, a powerful online form builder that allows you to create dynamic forms with ease. First things first, you'll want to navigate to Jotform's official website. Once there, the process begins with simply clicking on the login button found typically at the top right corner of the home page. This is your gateway into accessing your dashboard and managing your forms. If you're not already logged in, you can do so using your Google account or any other platform you've previously connected to Jotform. This convenience ensures a smooth and hassle-free login process for returning users. After logging in, you'll find yourself on the My Forms page. This is where all your form magic begins. From here, scroll through your list of forms, and when you've decided which form you'd like to add conditions to, click the Edit Form button associated with that form. Your next step is to click on the Settings tab. This tab is crucial as it houses various settings that control the behavior of your form, including the conditions you want to set. Within the Settings menu, you'll see an option marked Conditions. This is where Jotform truly shows its power in terms of customization. Clicking on it will open a world of possibilities for your form. Now, let's get to the exciting part. Adding conditions. Jotform provides a plethora of conditions to choose from. For example, the Show Hide field condition is perfect for streamlining your form by only displaying certain fields based on the user's previous inputs. This can greatly enhance the user experience by keeping the form neat and only asking relevant questions, but why stop there? Want to copy a field's value or perform complex calculations based on the input? Jotform has got you covered. This is especially useful for forms involving quotations, surveys, or assessments where the input directly influences the output. Additionally, conditions like enable/require/mask field can further customize the user journey through your form. This can range from making fields mandatory based on certain answers to masking input data for privacy reasons. And there's more. Jotform also offers conditions to skip to hide a page, which can transform your form into a multi-page adventure, leading users down different paths based on their choices. This is fantastic for quizzes, applications, or any scenario where the next step depends on the user's current input. Ever thought about customizing the thank you page or changing the email recipient based on how the form is filled out? Yes, Jotform allows for that too. This means you can create a more personalized follow-up experience or ensure that form responses are directed to the appropriate department or team member. Each condition is set up by specifying what should trigger the condition and what action should be taken when that trigger is met. It's like creating a small if this then that rule for your form, which can greatly enhance how interactive and responsive your form feels to the end user. Remember to test your form thoroughly after setting up conditions. This is critical to ensure everything works as expected and provides a seamless experience for your users. You can preview your form directly from the editor, which allows you to see your conditions in action and make adjustments as needed. In conclusion, adding conditions to your Jotform forms is a powerful way to tailor the form filling experience to meet both your needs and those of your users. With just a few clicks, you can configure your forms to behave dynamically, react to user inputs in real time, and even tailor the content or flow of the form based on those inputs. So go ahead, give it a try, and watch as your forms transform from static pages to interactive experiences that engage and delight your users. That wraps up our guide on how to add conditions to your forms in Jotform. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more helpful tutorials just like this one.